Welcome to the ultimate guide for playing Cuphead 2-player on PC in 2025. Get ready for a thrilling adventure. Before we dive in, let's check the system requirements to ensure optimal performance. Let's explore the main menu features and co-op options that await you. Choosing between Cuphead and Mugman can impact your play style. Let's break down their strengths. Mastering co-op gameplay requires strong communication and teamwork. Here are some key techniques. Understanding shared lives and resource management is crucial for success in Cuphead. Let's discuss effective strategies for overcoming daunting boss battles as a duo. Exploring the Inkwell Isles together reveals hidden locations and secrets. Ready to uncover them? Customize your playing experience with tailored controller settings and accessibility features. Enhancing your Cuphead 2-player experience makes for endless fun. Dive in and enjoy.